Sunday fun day. Lexi's trying out her little 22 I got her. You didn't put the, you got to put the magazine in it. Magazine's over there.
You didn't pop it in all the way.
I thought I did.
Well, try it. Did you really?
Yeah.
That is amazing. Okay, rack it back.
Oh, I love this gun.
Now you're live. I want 10 out of 10.
I am live?
Did you take the safety off?
I pushed it in.
Okay, then your safety's off. You're live. Hit. 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 You're out. She hit 10 out of 10 with this thing. She's a killer. It's freezing, you guys. It's freezing in East Texas. But we're having fun anyways. Hit, 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 hit.
Mama, how do I take the safety off?
I'm gonna go for the furthest one.
I don't think it'll reach that far. Where were you going, for 100?
Yeah, just the one.
I don't think it'll fly that far. It's just a baby guy. But it's fun, right? All right. Where are you going, 50?
Yeah, on the orange target. That's in between the one in the middle.
Okay. The tire?
Yeah.
Bam! Bam! Woo! Woo! Lexi! Look at her face! Die zombie! Yes, there you go.
Alright, safety on.
Yeah, safety on.
Got it.
Is your magazine empty?
I don't know. But I'm
Okay.
done.
But you're done?
I was
Okay.
thinking of cooking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I know.
Just needed a little respite from the cold. I am not handling it. I am. It's cold. That thing packs a lot of power than I expected. What is this thing called again?
It's an AR-15.
Okay.
Can we shoot the handgun from here? Or
It's
does it
the
only
next
that one?
mound over is the handgun range.
Oh, okay.
We cannot do handguns right here.
Damn. Kill him. Ooh. Ping. That's my mama.
Love it.
That's my
I
mama.
love that so much. I just love it.
Now what? Now you put it on safe, off of safety. That's the safety.
So you're live already. Did she rack it back?
Yeah, you're live now. Oh. You need to rack it back.
Oh, okay, hello. Oh, hold on.
There you go.
Okay.
Now push it forward. There you go.
What am I
Nice.
shooting at?
There's a metal target. See the double stacked tires?
Oh, up
The
here?
red one?
Or way back there?
No, the first row. First row. She won't fly that far.
I want to try that one though. I want to see if I can get that 100 one with her 22.
Cool.
She's a killer, Eddie. She's ready for the zombies.
She's ready for the zombie apocalypse.
Yeah, she is. Ding, 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 ding. That one's fun. Little thing doesn't hurt.
It is a
It's
great
not
little
aggressive.
gun.
It's not mean. It
know
doesn't
she gets
scare
pretty
you like
birthday.
my AR. Ready, Missy?
Yeah. Shoot.
I killed him. I killed him so dead.
Oh my god.
Super dead.
You're crazy.
So fun though.
She ain't even part of the military, and she'll kick
nice.
ass out there, bro.
So nice. Oh yeah, she's a killer. Jesse, you ate him up. He's dead. He has no neck and no weenus. And no guts. That's it. That's it, Lexi. Okay. Hit. I don't know if I like that new ammo.
I think I'll do better.
1911.
Hit. 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 Miss. Hit. Hit headshots.
I'm happy that it hasn't jammed yet.
No, it hasn't. I didn't have no issue with it.